Do you need a degree to learn AI? If you're wondering this right now, you are not alone. AI looks complicated, intimidating, and let's be honest, most of the tutorials out there makes you feel like you need a complicated degree to get started. But here is the honest truth coming from someone who has a master's degree, but still I had to learn most of the stuff on my own. I did my MTech in information technology, so yes, I have the formal background. But here is the thing, 90% of what I use today on my AI, I learned those things after my degree. So yeah, through hands-on projects, real data sets, using Kaggle Notebook, and of course, building every project from scratch. A degree gives you the structure. It helps you gain the math concepts and theories, and sometimes even gives you access to professors and even labs. But it's not the only way. Because AI is evolving fast and degree alone will not keep you current. If you stop learning after college, you will definitely fall behind. So, what actually matters? Can you code? Can you experiment with data sets? Can you build and do a lot of experiments? So, these are the skills you have to actually learn from YouTube, Kaggle, Coursera, and just by trying. So, here we go. Some of the best actual developers really have no degree background at all. But they show up every day, build real projects, read newspapers, and of course, they always stay curious to learn something new. So, if you're starting today to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning, do this instead of worrying about getting a degree. So, number 1, learn Python. Number 2, learn machine learning basics such as supervised, unsupervised learning, overfitting, those things. Build real projects such as predicting house prices or sentiment analysis. You can use free tools like Google Colab or Kaggle datasets, and once you have done with your project, go ahead and share it on communities such as LinkedIn, Reddit, or even on the X page. These steps can actually teach you more than the classroom ever could because it's real. So, do you need a degree to learn artificial intelligence? Well, no. You just need curiosity, commitment, and of course, you need to get your hands dirty on the code. So yes, I will definitely say this. My degree helped me to understand the theory, but the projects that I have built on the real time helped me to become an AI developer. If you're serious about learning artificial intelligence in 2025, hit that subscribe and drop a comment whether you're learning artificial intelligence with a degree or without a degree. Let's just talk about it. And if you have learned something new today, go ahead and hit that like. And if you're building something awesome and you need assistance to bring your ideas to life, check out Site and Coders. We build what we actually teach.